Good morning or good afternoon. I am Stryker, your teacher. As you see, I am so glad to join you in this video. Today, I'm going to teach you about the correct ways to use so or to in English. So stay tuned. I will be back to you. Okay guys, now I'm back to you. What you have to do right now, you need to subscribe for the upcoming video on this channel. Qui ça besoin faire pour nous? Ou besoin pour abonner avec channel là pour pas rater pièces vidéo n'a porté pour vous et sans oublier que ou pas négliger pour partager avec vos amis, avec vos familles. Okay? Yes, do it right now. Good job. Okay, now let's get the ball rolling. As I said previously, comme on dit avant, today you are going to learn how to use so and to in English, or in what context that you use so and to in English. I think it's almost the same or it's similar. Yo presque même similaire parce que yo dit même bagay. So and to. Yo dit aussi in French, okay? Gen yon côté so veut dire si et là ouais, il signifie aussi. On va l'expliquer qui est pour utiliser les ou bien so qui est pour utiliser to devant. Est-ce que c'est devant you utiliser so? Est-ce que c'est derrière you utiliser so? Now in this lesson you'll see the correct ways to use so and to in English. Now let's get the ball rolling. Okay, how to use so and to in English? They are used with positive sentences. They are used with positive sentences. Yo utilize yo avec phrase qui positive. Never use so and to with negative sentences. Par exemple, écrit yo avec phrase qui négative. Okay? They are used with positive sentences. Now, the first one is so. Now, I'm gonna explain you about so. So, it is placed, it's not placed, let's say that. It is placed at the beginning of the sentences just before the auxiliary verbs. So it is placed at the beginning of the sentences just before the auxiliary verb. Let me explain. Ou so placé dans commencement yon phrase juste avant verbe auxiliaire. So placé dans commencement yon phrase at the beginning of sentences dans commencement yon phrase avant verbe auxiliaire. Now this is the structure. This is the structure. This word is pronouncing like that. Structure. This is the structure of so. The structure is so plus auxiliary verbs plus subject. Ça c'est structure qui gagne pour so. So plus auxiliary verbs plus subject pronouns. Okay. Now this is the first sentence. I say Peter likes playing soccer. Peter likes playing soccer. Là, me dit Peter aime jouer football. Si m'a dit André aussi, ou ouais. Pas bliye Abonné. Yes, do it. Peter likes playing. I say Peter. You can replace Peter by he. You can say he likes, but I say Peter likes playing soccer. Peter aime jouer football. Si m'a dit André aussi, on dit oh André aussi. M'a dit à qui verbe auxiliaire like marcher. Vous connaissez like marcher avec auxiliaire do. I say so does Andrew. Parce que me tout so placé dans commencement yon phrase. Et bien m'a dit for the answer I say so does because we got Peter. I don't say do, it does. So does Peter. So does Andrew. Excuse me, Andrew. So does Andrew. As you can see, Peter likes playing soccer. Peter aime jouer football. Si m'a dit André aussi, m'a dit so does Andrew. So does Andrew. Ok? Do like marcher avec auxiliary verb do. I say so does Andrew. André aussi. Now, the secondly is Gerard works every day. Gerard travaille chaque jour. Gerard works every day. Si m'a dit j'aime aussi. Yeah. J'aime aussi. Work marcher avec auxiliary verb do. I say so does Jim. So does James. James aussi. Gerard works every day. Gerard travaille chaque jour. Si m'a dit James aussi avec so, m'a dit so does James. Okay? Now, thirdly, troisièmement, we got our sentences is Shelda has a new car. Shelda has a new car. Ça veut dire Shelda gagne un nouveau machine. Shelda has a new car. I don't say new, but you can say new. But me, I prefer to say new. Okay? Shelda has a new car. Ça veut dire Shelda gagne un nouveau machine. Si m'a dit Wally aussi, we got has. For example, if I say that verb is I have, you have, he, she, it has. Shelda is a woman. I say has for Shelda. Okay? Punya, si m'a dit Wally aussi. Shelda has a new car. M'a dit Wally aussi. M'a dit so has Wally. So has Wally. Wally aussi. Là, vous souhaitez comprendre comment vous faire phrase avec so, comment vous utilisez so en anglais. The first sentence is Peter likes playing soccer. Si m'a dit André aussi, m'a dit so does Andrew. It's because like marcher avec auxiliary verb do. Gerard works every day. I can say Gerard. I don't know. Gerard works every day. Si m'a dit James aussi, m'a dit so does James. So does James. Now the third was Shelda has a new car. Si m'a dit Wally aussi, m'a dit so has Wally. So has Wally. Don't forget, memorize the structure. Structure a aussi posé qu'un bit et puis on va faire phrase et les ou bien phrase on va dire Peter aussi ou bien Wally aussi, André aussi, c'est structure à vous gagner. The structure is so plus auxiliary verb plus subject. Okay? As you can notice, two. We got two. Je vais expliquer so, mais qu'on y a pas expliquer two. Two comes at the end of the sentences right after the auxiliary verbs. To comes at the end of the sentences right after the auxiliary verb. Ça veut dire to lui-même, il vient à la fin de la phrase, correctement après verbe auxiliaire. To comes at the end of the sentences right after the auxiliary verbs. C'est comme ça to lui-même lié. Now for the structure. Structure is not structure, it's structure is subject plus auxiliary verb plus to. This is the structure of to. Ça c'est structure qui gagne pour to. C'est subject and auxiliary plus to. Now this is some sentences I can do with to. Firstly, we got I can finish all this work in less than 1 hour. Ouais, comment on fait liaison? I can finish all this work in less than 1 hour. Je suis capable de faire des voix ça dans moins que 1 heure de temps. I can finish all this work in less than 1 hour. Si m'a dit, oh, my need aussi. My need aussi. Là, m'y tout. Comment m'a utiliser? Parce que tout va utiliser à la fin de la phrase. M'dedou, I can finish all this work in less than 1 hour. M'm capable faire travail ça dans moins que 1 heure de temps. Si m'a dit, my need aussi, m'a dit, my need can too. My need can too. Moi qu'a fait travail, moi qu'a fini travail ça dans moins que 1 heure de temps. Si l'aime bien tout, si m'a dit my need aussi, m'a dit my need can too. Okay? I can finish all this work in less than 1 hour. For the answer with 2, I can say my need can too. Now, secondly, we got we were eating when we heard the news. We were eating when we heard the news. The news. We were eating when we heard the news. Nous tap manger, les nous tap tande nouvelle là. We were eating when we heard the news. Si m'a dit Smith aussi, or Smith, you can say whatever you want. Okay? Smith. You can say Smith or you can say Smith. In English you say Smith. We were eating when we heard the news. Si m'a dit Smith aussi, m'a dit Smith was too. Smith aussi. Smith was too. Ça c'est comme ça, vous pouvez utiliser so et to. Vous utilisez so at the beginning of a sentences. Vous utilisez so devant commencement de phrase et vous utilisez to à la fin de la phrase right after the auxiliary verbs. Et après vous écrivez verbe avant right after the auxiliary verb. Okay? The structure is subject plus auxiliary. Et ça fait tout right after the auxiliary verb. Vous écrivez auxiliaire, après ça vous écrivez to. Subject plus auxiliary plus to. And this is some sentences. I can finish all this work in less than 1 hour. Dès que je suis capable de finir le travail ça dans moins que 1 heure de temps. Si je dis my need aussi, je dis my need can too. Now for the second sentence, I say we were eating when we heard the news. Si je dis Smith aussi, I can say Smith was too. Smith tap tade, musique là, Smith tap mangé, il tap tade, nouvelle là, Smith was too. Now, that's all for today. C'est tout ça nous dégagé pour aujourd'hui. I think that you really appreciate this video parce que vous allez vraiment apprécier cette vidéo ça. Et vous connaissez comment vous utiliser ça avec to in English. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for the upcoming video. I will love you and I think that you love me also. Goodbye. See you next for another